Hi guys, and welcome back. So one of my subscribers, Kelly, who is so awesome, reached out to me a couple weeks ago and has now sent me the most amazing Kawaii unicorn care package. Now to me, this is the best Happy Mail ever, so sit back, drop a like, and get ready to jump into the most amazing Kawaii unicorn care package ever. Okay, are you guys ready? I hope you guys are ready, because this is some adorable unicorn Happy Mail. So I actually just got done filming another Happy Mail video, so that is why there is like glitter everywhere, but I decided to leave it there because I thought it would be perfect for the background of this video too. So oh my goodness, so right on top of the package, the first thing that I saw is this paper pad that I have no idea where she got it. I have never seen it at Michael's, and it is so cute, you guys. It comes with 20 sheets. I think they might be double-sided. I'm not sure, but look at that. You guys, look at the one, the pink and mint with the donuts. Oh my goodness, you guys. So seriously, this girl knows me so well. I am like 100% in love with every single thing in this package. So I haven't gone down to the very bottom yet, but I did look at a few things that are near the top, and I'm like, oh my goodness. So first of all, sticking out the side, any of you who are my subscribers know that I really wanted this fluffy mint poof ball pen from Michael's, and I didn't buy it, and then I went back and they were all gone, literally all gone. Well, guess what? Kelly came through, you guys. Oh my goodness, she got me the mint puff ball pen. Kelly, I love you so much. Like seriously, girl, you are the best, okay? You are so freaking awesome. So she got me this poof ball pen. I absolutely love it. Then she got me these. Oh my gosh, I love them. So these are pink unicorn tags. I didn't even see the pink ones at my location. I absolutely adore them. I actually already got these ones only in holographic, in like hollow, and I've already made some of the cutest cards. So I was so happy when I saw these. Girl, you are the best, and seriously, you know me so well. So then you guys might have seen in my Hello Kitty haul, I did haul a Hello Kitty Mad Libs book. So if you don't know what Mad Libs are, it's just like this really fun, entertaining thing where you kind of like write stories by filling in the blanks, basically. And she got me a Unicorn and Mermaids Mad Libs book. Like, how cool is that? I have no idea where she found this, but we are going to be having so much fun on our car rides with this. No more phones in the car. Like, that is just so awesome. So she got me a few other things from Michael's, it looks like in here. But then, you guys, she got me stuff that I have never even heard of. I have no idea where she found it. Like, seriously, my mind is blown. Like, literally, I could cry. So she got me this. Oh my, like, I'm blown away, guys. Kawaii journal with hugs on the side. Includes 30 stickers. Okay, you guys, so I don't think I've ever told you guys this, but I actually write poetry. So that is one of the reasons that I love notebooks and collect notebooks. Now I don't write as much as I used to. I used to write like multiple poems daily, but I still do write poetry. And occasionally I remember poems that I forgot, and I like to write them down as well. And look at these pages. You guys, I seriously don't know if I've ever got a gift so tailored to me. Like, this is just so beautiful, you guys. I am totally blown away. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to show this stuff to my husband. He is gonna totally freak out. So, oh my gosh, I love this so much. I have no idea where she found it. But then she got me this, which I love, and I could not find at my Michael's. So I actually, before I went into the store during the lowest prices of the seasons event, I looked up unicorn on the Michael's app so that I could just see every single unicorn product in Michael's, and man, they had a lot. But seriously, I could not find half of them. So, oh my gosh, she got me this, and this is so cute. And I do so much Happy Mail and pen paling stuff, and like for my writing. This is just so awesome. I absolutely love it. You could even use this for card making. It is so cute, and of course, all my colors. Then, you guys, here is another thing that I saw when I looked up unicorns at Michael's, but I don't think that I saw it at my location. And oh my goodness, look, for my resin, I can now make little unicorn cabochons. Oh my goodness, you guys, these are so cute. I think that I may try these out, try to make some thin ones with some UV resin tonight. Oh my gosh, so cute. But I will definitely be using this for 2-part resin in the future. Look how cute those are. This is like the best Kawaii unicorn Happy Mail ever, you guys. Okay, so next there is a little bag. So I have not seen anything else that is in here, and it looks like there is still a bunch more stuff. So there's a little bag here. I'm gonna see what's inside it. Okay, so we've got a pin. It says Unicorn Squad. I love it. Oh my gosh, look at this. I have never seen this. Oh my gosh. I don't even let myself go into the bead landing purse section and the bead landing, like the pre-made jewelry section. I don't let myself go because I make jewelry. So I'm like, you know, why would I spend money on the supplies to make it and on the jewelry? But this is so cute. It's like a unicorn cookie. It's like one of the resin piece cookies. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. And I still have not done my unicorn resin cookie kit. Oh, I just had a great idea, because I'm definitely going to be sending Kelly a gift in return to thank her. This is so awesome. Oh my gosh. And by the way, I know my nails are a total mess, you guys. I'm actually going to paint them after this video. And as you may or may not know, I did cut my finger opening a paper pad the other day. And of course, I can't find my Hello Kitty Band-Aids. So there's another Unicorn Squad pin and another Unicorn Squad pin. Girl, this is so awesome. So here we have a Mr. Funny eraser. That is so cute, of the Little Miss Mr. Men, and I love those guys. Oh my gosh, look at this little tiny Pikachu. Was that in the bag? Oh my gosh, that is so cute. Oh my gosh, it's adorable. So if you didn't know, I love Pokemon as well, and my son is also obsessed. Then here is a pretty bracelet. Oh my gosh, you're going to have to tell me if you made that or not. And of course, so pastel. I love it. So there is like still a bunch more stuff in here, you guys. Oh my goodness. Okay, so there is 2 things here that I wanted, but I was like trying to be good when I went to Michael's the first time. Of course, I ended up going back and everything was gone. So these eggs I actually had in my cart and I did not end up getting, and I so regretted not getting them when I saw all the Easter Happy Mail that everyone was sending each other and using these. So thank you so much, girl. That is so freaking awesome. And then look what she got me. So you guys know that I already got the donuts and the unicorns of these, and I've actually even made some cards with the unicorns. But look, she got me mermaids, and they are so beautiful. They actually totally match a mermaid banner that I've got on my bedroom wall. So these are so awesome. And look, there is mint ones in the back. Oh my goodness. So there is also a bunch more stuff in here, you guys. So there is this unicorn headband from Claire's, which is going to look so awesome, even just for room decor with all my headbands. When I do my room tour, you guys are going to see. And I have like a headband, a cat ear headband collection. So this is going to go awesome with that. So she also got me this little pen, and it lights up, you guys, and it's a little bunny, okay, because this was like kind of near Easter time. She got me like this huge jumbo novelty pen, and it's pink, and it is so cool. So she's also gifted me this really, really cute unicorn, and it says Unicool, and it's just a little notebook, and it's blue, and I love it so much. So it looks like there's even some socks in here. Oh my gosh, you guys, there's a bunch of stuff. So, okay, so she's given me, so she got like these awesome grab bags. I think this is what these are from, because I watched her videos. And you know what, like if you guys just take the time, she really hauls like the most awesome stuff. Like, nothing she hauls isn't super adorable. So yeah, I love everything in her hauls. But anyway, these are so super cute, you guys. So anyway, she got these grab bags from Ardane. I don't know how much she paid for them, but they were kind of like lucky bags. You didn't know what was inside, and I think that's where she got these. But these are so super cute, and my son actually loves pugs. So then there's these ones, and these are like these little kawaii little hamsters in a banana. That is so adorable, and I already know Chase is gonna steal those from me. So she also made me a perler bead unicorn. So this gift I did know about. She did show me this in a video. Thank you so much for thinking of me. Like, really, my mind is just blown. You guys, there's still a ton more stuff. So she even had my jewelry making in mind. So she has sent me a bunch of these necklaces that I can add resin charms, I can add beads, and yeah, and I actually use this kind of stuff in my shop quite often. So this is awesome, girl, and these are all colors that I can use. Like, seriously, every single thing here is stuff that I love. Now, the next few items, I'm looking in, my mind's blown. Okay, there's another small item here. Oh, okay, so she's given me a little anklet, and this was another thing she got out of the Ardane bag, and it is actually really cute. I see some rondelles on there, and those almost look like Fimo pieces. But you guys, I can't believe what I'm gonna have to make room. Hang on, you guys. Oh my goodness. My goodness, you guys. Okay, so seriously, she must really listen to my videos and really listen to the things I say. And I know I've started to talk a little bit more in my videos. I honestly didn't know if that was a good thing or a bad thing, because when I first started my channel, I would literally just show the products and be like, I got these, I got these, I got these, I got these, and it was just more about quantity than quality, and I would like squeeze like $200 or $300 worth of product into like a 7 to 15 minute video. But you know, lately I'm trying to like be more me with you guys, you know, and I don't know, kind of get to know you, be your friend. So I don't know if that's good or bad, or if you guys like talking or don't like the talking, but definitely you can always let me know. But anyways, she must seriously listen to me, because I have told you guys before that I can't draw. And of course, like, this is a craft channel, but it is also a kawaii channel as well. I don't know where she found this, you guys, but look what she got for me. She got me a kawaii doodle class. Oh my gosh, how to sketch. Super cute. Tacos, sushi clouds, flowers, monsters, cosmetics, and more. You guys, look at this. So literally, I only know how to draw like about 5 things, and they're all doodles, and maybe even only 3 to 5 things now that I can remember. And they're all because of a doodle book that I got for Christmas when I was a kid that like taught you how to draw cartoons. And I actually would like sit with that book like for hours and, you know, study it, and like that's how I learned how to draw googly eyes and everything. So this is like literally so awesome. And look, it is all pastel. Like, honestly, I can't even like watch things if they're not pastel. I can't even like watch card tutorials like if I don't like the colors in the cards that they're using. And this, I just can't watch it. It's kind of terrible. But oh my gosh, look at this. It is so cute. I love it. Like, Kelly, you are freaking amazing, girl. I cannot thank you enough. This is like the coolest thing I have ever seen. I am absolutely freaking in love with it, girl. You are the best. So if you guys can believe it, there is actually more. Yes, there is more. There is a paper pad under here. So I will take it up. Oh my. Okay, there is 2 paper pads under here, you guys. And these are full-size paper pads. Oh my gosh. She has sent me 2 12 by 12s, you guys. This is literally like the best Happy Mail I have ever got in my life. Girl, I can't thank you so much. And like literally she reached out to me. This wasn't a swap. She just did this out of the kindness of her heart. And I can't believe people are reaching out to me, and I'm just so happy that I'm connecting with you guys. Look at this. Look, the donuts are pink and mint, you guys, with the unicorn floaties. Oh my goodness. I saw this pad there, but I was getting so much stuff, and you guys look at the Canadian price, okay? And by the way, she's in Canada too. So, oh my God, girl, you did not have to do this. These are the ones that I'm really excited about. Where are they? The little cutouts? I just saw them somewhere. Here they are, because these are so awesome for card making. Oh my goodness, girl, you are so awesome. And the turntable, I might even put that one on my wall. So I can't believe it. And listen, girl, don't feel bad. So I'm going to show you guys this. She sent me the Stay Magical pad. So if you're one of my subscribers, then you're going to know. Originally, I couldn't find this pad. I could only find the 6x6. So I was like, please, someone find me this pad. So I see she went out and found it for me. So I since went to another Michael's and I got a few of them. But seriously, girl, I have already used up over half of one of them, and I have already used up, I got like so many of the 6x6. I have already used 3 full 6x6 pads. So like, don't feel bad that, oh my gosh, she already got it. Oh no, she got the one I got for her, because it is so rare that I can even find a paper pad that like suits my aesthetic and my colors. And like I said, I just can't work with something if I don't like the colors and I don't feel inspired. So literally, I will be working with these like forever. Like, I never want to run out. So when I saw this, I was so happy. You have no idea. I have a few flip throughs of this on my channel. If you guys haven't seen it, it just comes with the most magical papers, and the 12x12 comes with some papers that are not included in the 6x6, which is really awesome. Look at that. I love that. One's one of my favorites. There is another one. So Kelly, oh my goodness, I cannot thank you enough. Seriously, girl, you have just totally gone above and beyond. Like, I never expected so much support from my fans, from my subscribers. Like, oh my goodness, girl, you are just so amazing. And I'm just so glad that you guys feel we have a connection, because even though like you're not actually here when I'm making the videos, I really feel like you are here with me, and like I'm talking with you, and you know, like we do have a connection. So this is just so freaking awesome. I can't thank you enough. Definitely go and show Kelly some love, you guys, because she totally deserves it, you guys. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much, and stay tuned for more Happy Mail to come, more videos on the way. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye for now, Miss Eddie Blue.